Yeah, it's like 12:30. Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. Let's take a walk down to see how much more of the buildings they've got tore down. I'll pause it. I'm almost there. Putting in the new light pole, electrical pole. Oh, they're getting ready to pull it out. Well, I was going to cross there. Damn it, I didn't make it down here in time. They got it tore down. I looked out there at lunch, or before lunch, they didn't have it tore down all the way. They did. Pretty good. I'll just stay here because I don't want to cross the street. It's too damn busy. Yeah, I missed them tearing that down. Okay, so you see there's 3 more buildings before the Strand. So that's the big question. And it kind of looks like maybe they're going to leave those other 3. Walk down a little bit further. Oh, I really need to go to the store at lunch, but the only way I could do it is by borrowing a vehicle from work. And the 1 or 2 that I normally borrow weren't there, so I'm supposed to go to cookout tomorrow, and I don't have anything to take. And I'm not going to ride my bike to Walmart or Kroger and bring cold food back. It's 2.25 miles one way. Well, they got the nasty building down that's been need to be taken down for a long time. All right. Well, you get a good shot of the church now. That's kind of cool. They're going to get a different sunrise. Think you're up far enough, dude? I'll just go stand there and try to cross. But yeah, the girl's trying to cross and she can't because the guy's a little too far up. It definitely looks different. Alright, seen enough. I'll walk back. See Darth Vader. Pretty. Look at the traffic. Oh, Chaparral's going to reopen. I don't know who by, but I heard it's going to reopen. I didn't think it'd stay closed that long. Man, look at the freaking traffic. I'm kind of glad I didn't borrow the work truck to go there. That's Bill Garrett. Looks like Reggie. Bill Garrett. Shelbyville High School gymnasium's named after William Garrett. William Garrett Museum. Everybody's looking at me. And we're back. And we're back. I brought some of the trucks over here, some of the new trucks. Oh, shit. I dread this place, but I'm thankful to have a job, you know. I dread most is my damn car sitting over there, excuse my language. If you knew the whole story. And you know what's really, really freaking funny? Look where I work at. We deal in brand new cars. This is employee parking lot and drop off. Brand new cars everywhere. There's a big lot over there. It's got dozens and dozens of cars. And another lot that's got used cars. We've got new ones and used over here. These are all customers mostly here. But the thing is we get trade-ins and all that. And I'm having and have had one hell of a time finding a car. Even the owner, when I first started working here, said they were going to help me. Not financially, but being that they go to, I didn't ask financially. You know, I could afford $10,000, but you can't get much nowadays. And they never did come through. A lot of the employees here have said, you just hold your breath, you do better. Something to those words. Yeah, they don't owe me anything, but I was told that they would help me out. And I ended up getting desperate 2 years ago, right before winter. I can't see the screen. About the Honda Accord. Well, that's a hell of a story. But $5,000, and I got $5,000 worth of parts and crap in it, and it's sitting there with the motor torn apart, broken timing chain. No, I didn't make this video to bitch and moan. It's not having a good, I'd say, day, but the week's been bad. Last week was bad. But I got you guys to talk to, even though I can't hear you. A lot of you just say, suck it up. Boy, oh boy, if you lived through some of the shit I've been through. Here I am, almost 60 years old, working at a damn auto dealer, working on freaking cars. They want me to take some classes, GM and Chrysler, but I don't want to do it because the main thing is you're talking a good $25,000 investment just for me to, and I wouldn't get none of that back for a long time until I was certified through GM and Chrysler to work on brand new cars and used cars and warranty cars and all that crap. Tools and toolbox. I should cut all this out. There's that big old, is it a buzzard? I can't see the screen. Where'd he go? Where you at, buddy? He's up there. he's in the blue. He should be somewhere around there. Oh, it'd be so cool to do that. Hey, there's a barn swallow. Woo! I'm getting dizzy. All right, you guys have a great 4th of July 2025 or 294th Independence Day. Woohoo. Truth, peace, freedom, love to all.